coders, welcome to Basic Coding. Today I will taught you the hello world, or the simple builds and basic coding of the hello world. So first, we add file, we name it hello world. .java because we are using Java language. So, nandiyan na agad yung hello world public class. Then, next is to put main, which part of the main method. Then, next is the system out, which is the command. This is the command, and inside this one we will put the hello world, which is the message we wanted to run, hello world. And don't forget to put semicolon at the end of every command. So we see here hello world. Diba? Hello world pala yung nalagay ko. Hello world. So let's run it again. Hello world. So that's it. Easy as that. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So if you want more videos like this, coding, basic coding, using Java and other Java languages, so please do subscribe. Highly appreciated, guys. So thank you.